Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this wedding makeup look which I think is apt for winter season. This will look absolutely gorgeous during winter wedding nights. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching this video. So I'll be starting by prepping my skin. I'll be massaging the Avon True Nutra Effects Miracle Glow Facial Oil because I want my skin to be really soft and supple so that I don't get dried up during winters, and this will also provide a really good base for my makeup. And then for my next step, I'll be using the Pack Makeup Lotion. The reason why I am slathering my face with facial oils and makeup lotions is because it's winters and I don't want to take a chance with my skin. I have a dry skin. And if you have a dry skin too, then I would recommend you to have a two-step of moisturization because this will help your makeup to stay for quite some time and it will not crack up and you wouldn't be looking all flaky throughout the function. So this is a very important step. Next, I'll be using a green corrector because as you can see, I have quite angry breakouts, red, angry, breakouts. So for that I'll be using green corrector. I'll be applying a little bit and then wait for some time, like for some 30 seconds to get it settled, and then I'll be going ahead with my foundation. And for my foundation, I'll be using the My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream in the shade Light. This was sent to me by their PR team. As you can see, I'm just scraping off the foundation and mixing it with the facial oil that I used before on a mixing palette, and then I will apply it on my face, and then I will dab it with a beauty blender to get a nice and even layer of foundation on my face so that I don't look cakey. Once I'm done with the foundation, I'll go ahead and apply concealer. The one I'm using right now is by Maybelline. It is called the Age Divine Concealer, and this is by far the best test. I know the best test is not the word, but it is really the best test concealer that I've come across. Totally in budget and it does not crease at all. To set my concealer, I'll be using the PAC Cosmetics HT Loose Powder in the shade Banana. And then I will go offline and quickly do my eyebrows. Now that I am done with my eyebrows, I'll go ahead and do my eye makeup. For that, I am using the Eye Chocolate palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. I will start by creating a base, and for that I'll be using the shade called Independent and apply it all over my eyelid. And then I'll be taking the shade called Ooh from the palette and I'll be applying it all over my crease line. These are really pigmented eyeshadow, guys. And then I'll be taking the shade called Backup and apply it both on the inners as well as outer corners of my eyes. And then I'll be taking the shade called Check. It is a nice rose gold glitter color and apply it on the center of my eyelids. Surprisingly, I could find that with brush the intensity is more when applied. I don't know how it has happened, but it always happens the opposite. Like if we apply with brush, the intensity comes low, and with fingers the intensity comes high. But with this shade, it was just the opposite. Now I will just dust off the extra loose powder that I used for making my under eyes, and whatever the extra is that is near my eyes, I'm just going to buff it in, and then I will take the backup shade again and put it on my lower lash line. Next, I'll be applying kajal on my waterline. For my mascara, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics mascara. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corners of the eyes, I'm using the shade called Hold Up from that same Chocolate Rose Gold palette. My next step will be to contour, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze Duo in the shade called Harmony Brunesse. And then I will go ahead and apply some blush, and then I will straight jump on to applying highlighter. The highlighter that I am using is by Makeup Revolution. This is my new purchase. It is in the shade called Northern Lights. It is from their strobe range. And for the lipstick, I'm using the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Spoiler Alert. And guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found this video useful. If you liked, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, like this video, comment your views below, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.